Okay, it is video never seen in public before, and there is a chance it could help solve the mystery of how the Palisades Fire started. KCAL News reporter Laurie Perez is live in the Palisades with the new video, how it became public and what it could mean for investigations. Laurie.
Well, Pat, there is so much going on here in the Palisades. Behind me, you can see PCH is still restricted. Of course, there's so much work going on with recovery and rebuilding. But people here do want to know what led to such tremendous loss here. That's why these videos are very significant. These videos, obtained and first reported on by the San Francisco Chronicle, give us new views of the two fires near Skull Rock in early January. UC San Diego wildfire cameras were rolling as a fire early on the morning of January 1st blew up, flames erupting in the hills over Pacific Palisades. And cameras were recording 1 week later when the Palisades Fire exploded, billowing smoke, the precursor to the disaster that would come. But it's the videos side by side that experts say show an important connection. Experts the Chronicle spoke with say the footage shows the New Year's Eve fire and the Palisades Fire starting in the same area days apart, and that's too much of a coincidence. 4 wildfire investigators told the paper they agree it's likely the Palisades Fire was a rekindling of the New Year's Eve fire, which after LAFD left might have had lingering embers that ignited when the historic winds of January 7th picked up. LAFD did not respond to our request for comment. Residents say they want answers.
There needs to be accountability. Something's not right. It'd be great to find out what really happened. But like I said, it does look a bit sketchy. Who knows?
The Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, Firearms, and Explosives is handling the investigation into the origin of the Palisades Fire, which recently included starting a controlled fire test to trace the path of the Palisades Fire. In response to this analysis of these newly released videos, they issued a statement saying in part, ATF-certified fire investigators and other specialists are working diligently to determine its origin and cause. At this time, no final conclusions have been reached. Some locals, like Nikki Snyder, whose family home burned, say they want to know what started it too, but not to look back, to look ahead.
I am very much focused on the solution and not finger pointing. As you know, when you point fingers, 3 point back at you. So I'm not behind finger pointing. But I do think there should be accountability taken if there was problems. But let's all work together and see what we can do.
Now, people are very anxious for some answers, but at this point, it's unclear when ATF might conclude its investigation. We are live in Pacific Palisades tonight. I'm Laurie Perez. Pat, back to you.
All right, Laurie, thank you for those videos.